Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to reset your Indian Bank UPI PIN if you forgot. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First open Indian Bank app and log into your account. And you see here have option UPI, click here. And click here. And here you see 3 dot, click here. Here have option change UPI PIN, click here. Enter your old UPI PIN and click to next. Here you choose a 4-digit new UPI PIN and click to next. And confirm a 4-digit new UPI PIN and click to done. So friends, UPI PIN changes successfully. Very simple or easy, you can change your Indian Bank UPI PIN using Ind Smart Indian Bank app. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.